What's good, homesteaders? It's me, Devin. I'm back in another video on my mom's channel. I had some crazy stuff to tell you. Let's go for a little walk. So I'm upstairs and I'm just, relaxing. I'm chilling and everything, and I hear the dog start barking. So I go downstairs to go see who's in the driveway. Somebody comes up here and it's just like, hey, your bees are swarming in somebody else's yard in a bush right now, and we didn't want to come over here and just take somebody else's bees, so we wanted to make sure that is if we should bring the box over to you or what should we do with the bees. So I just want to come over here, record something for y'all, show y'all how the bees are going, where the bees are moving to. Apparently the queen bee moved out and half of the bees are swarming in another bush over here. So I'm gonna pause the recording real quick and I'm gonna flip the camera and I'm gonna show y'all what we have going on.
If there's a swarm,
so I can see
I'll come and grab a swarm. But cutouts are a lot more intensive.
They are out.
And I mean, I do have carpentry skills, but I'm working on my own project
And
right now.
apparently, from where I could tell, they're flowing somewhere in one of these bushes, I think.
And most people don't realize
I don't know which one, but they are swarming.
cutout. I do have a name and number for that. Yes, it would.
So I think what we're gonna do, we're probably gonna suit up. Probably gonna try to see. Look, there's a bee over here. The swarm could be somewhere in this bush, but I think we're gonna suit up. We're gonna try to find where the other swarm went. Try to see if the queen bee is in the swarm. Possibly relocate them back over here, or probably just make another box and place it somewhere around here. But as y'all can tell, our neighbors is mowing their lawn. Hopefully the bees don't get too aggravated with that noise. But I'll definitely keep y'all updated on how this goes. We're about to go suit up and look for this other swarm. Peace.